Booster shots underway already in Virginia, with 700,000 people now eligible for that third dose.
The Richmond Henrico Health District is giving boosters by appointment right now, while some pharmacies are taking walk-ins. Enzo Domingo is on your side tonight with what you need to know. New at 11.
Now, those qualifications are similar to when the vaccines first launched. For example, people 65 or older, or people who might be at very high risk for catching COVID. But the health district says for people that got the Pfizer vaccine, perhaps as soon as 6 months ago, no rush to go out and get these boosters.
There's still really good protection against severe disease with that first primary series.
However, for those who've been eagerly anticipating a COVID vaccine booster shot, your time has come. After CDC and FDA approval, the Richmond Henrico Health District is now taking appointments for a third Pfizer shot.
And so we want to encourage folks to think about it if they're eligible and think about setting up that appointment.
Currently, 5 groups meet the criteria. People 65 and older, those who live in places like nursing homes, people 50 to 64 with underlying medical conditions that increase their risk for COVID-19, 18 to 49-year-olds with underlying medical conditions at high risk, and people aged 18 to 64 who work in places that put them at higher risk, like hospitals or schools.
We don't have the supply concerns we had in January and February. We have pharmacies, providers, the health district.
Okay, HopePharmacyRVA.com. Today's the 27th? Yes.
The Virginia Department of Health has launched a registration site with local providers like Hope Pharmacy in Church Hill for a more streamlined process.
2 things to remember: 23223, which is a zip code for Hope Pharmacy, and 5 miles. When we did this back in January, February, March, April, we did not have this system. Everyone had to come in and fill out this, but now they have an option.
Dr. Brown says Hope Pharmacy will also take walk-ins for those booster shots. And for those worried about these sometimes grueling vaccine symptoms, Dr. Veray has some good news.
From the data from the Pfizer trial did not show worsened symptoms after that third dose. So there is a worsening from 1 to 2. There is not a worsening from 2 to 3.
Now, again, those current boosters are only for people who had gotten the Pfizer vaccine. Dr. Veray actually expects Moderna and Johnson & Johnson to get full approval in the coming weeks. On your side in Richmond, Enzo Domingo, NBC 12.